AliExpress has become a global phenomenon. It's known for its vast selection and competitive prices. From electronics to fashion, home goods to beauty products, AliExpress seems to have it all. This online retail giant offers a treasure trove of goods, often at prices that are significantly lower than what you'd find elsewhere. However, there's often a catch for international shoppers: the requirement of a dollar card. Don't worry though, this essay will show you how to navigate AliExpress without relying on a traditional dollar card. Many shoppers, especially in regions with limited access to traditional international banking, might feel excluded. The good news is that there are alternative payment methods that can unlock the world of AliExpress for you. This essay will explore these methods, empowering you to shop with confidence and convenience. Get ready to discover a world of shopping possibilities, regardless of your preferred payment method. AliExpress's popularity is undeniable. It boasts a massive user base, with millions of active shoppers worldwide. To put this into perspective, consider that as of February 2024, AliExpress had approximately 8.18 million monthly active users in South Korea alone. This highlights the platform's global appeal and its significant presence in key markets. The platform's website traffic is equally impressive. AliExpress receives close to 1 billion visits every month. What's more, users tend to linger, with an average session duration exceeding 9 minutes. This suggests a high level of engagement as shoppers browse the vast selection and compare prices. AliExpress has clearly embraced the mobile revolution. Over half of its traffic originates from mobile devices. This underscores the platform's mobile-first approach, ensuring a seamless and user-friendly experience for shoppers on the go. The platform's success is further reflected in its order volume growth. AliExpress has experienced a significant surge in orders, driven in part by initiatives like AliExpress Choice. This premium service offers benefits such as free shipping and returns, contributing to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Let's dive into the world of alternative payment methods that can open doors for you on AliExpress. One popular option is virtual dollar cards. These function like prepaid debit cards. You can load them with a specific amount of money, giving you control over your spending. Virtual dollar cards are not directly linked to your bank account, which can enhance security. Numerous platforms offer virtual dollar card services, making it easy to find one that suits your needs. Digital wallets have emerged as another convenient payment solution for AliExpress shoppers. Services like OPay, particularly popular in Nigeria, allow you to directly pay for your AliExpress purchases without needing a dollar card. This integration simplifies cross-border transactions, making it incredibly easy to shop from the comfort of your home. Mobile payment systems have gained significant traction, and AliExpress has embraced this trend. If you prefer using Apple Pay or Google Pay, you'll be pleased to know that AliExpress supports these options. This provides a seamless and secure checkout experience, allowing you to complete your purchases with just a few taps on your smartphone. Depending on your location, you might find additional payment options available on AliExpress. These could include local payment gateways or even cash on delivery in some regions. It's always a good idea to check the AliExpress website for region-specific payment options to see what's available to you. For our Nigerian shoppers, let's break down how to use OPay on AliExpress. First things first, browse AliExpress and find the products that catch your eye. Once you've filled your cart with those must-have items, proceed to the checkout page. At checkout, you'll be presented with a list of payment options. Look for OPay and select it as your preferred method. You'll then be redirected to the OPay platform to confirm your payment. Log into your OPay account and review the transaction details. Once you're happy with everything, confirm the payment through the OPay app. And that's it. Your AliExpress order will be processed, and you can sit back, relax, and eagerly await your package. As you can see, ordering from AliExpress without a dollar card is easier than you might have thought. Virtual dollar cards, digital wallets, mobile payment systems, and other region-specific options provide you with flexibility and convenience. So why wait? Explore these alternative payment methods and unlock a world of shopping opportunities on AliExpress. Happy shopping! Don't forget to share your AliExpress shopping experiences in the comments below. What are your go-to payment methods? We'd love to hear from you.